Today I'm going to show you 3 shortcuts on Windows which I could not live without, and the last one being a total life changer for me. So let's start right in. The first one I'm going to show you is the one for screenshotting, so the one which I really use the most often. To do a screenshot, just press Windows Shift and S key simultaneously, and then you reach the screenshot mode. At the top you can see different options to do a screenshot with a rectangle, to draw it freestyle, screenshot a whole window, or the full screen. I usually just go with the rectangle, pull whatever I want to screenshot, and then when you are quick enough you can see it is directly in your clipboard, but you also have the option to now highlight stuff. So here I already selected the highlighter, and when I want to show a colleague of mine something, I will just highlight what I want to talk about. Here I can click on copy again, and then it is again in my clipboard. If you weren't fast enough, so let's just do another screenshot for that, and you did not catch the window that is appearing here, you can always go onto the message icon in your taskbar, and there it is appearing at the top, and here you can also click on it and can access the editor again. Super handy. The next shortcut I'm going to show you, which I could not live without, might sound a little bit funny, but is Windows Dot, because there I can insert emojis. I know you don't really need them for work, but for me, I think they definitely help to increase the understanding when you are writing. If you're just making a joke, put in like a little funny smiley or a wink smiley, or you don't know smiley. And with that here, you can also have these text smileys and different special characters. So you do not have to look anything up. You can just access these with Windows Dot. Click here on one of the smileys, and they are inserted in the font of your program. You can also, again, when you press Windows Dot and then start typing, search for something. So let's say I'm now search for Sonne, which is German for sun, and there you have all the different emojis containing sun as a theme. So, and when I click on one, it just converted automatically to an emoji. Pretty cool, right? And last but not least, my total life changer, which is the clipboard history. This one you can access by pressing the Windows symbol and V. Here you can see all the things that were in your clipboard during the session, all the screenshots I did, and also a text I have stored. The clipboard history is always refreshing when you restart your computer, and it just has a certain amount of time. You have to initially, when you press the Windows symbol and V for the first time, have to start it and agree to this. There's just a button, you cannot miss it, just click on it. And you never have to copy and paste again and switch windows. It's just so efficient. You can see when I put this with Control C in my clipboard, now I also have my emojis here in my clipboard history. Amazing, right? I really cannot live without them anymore. If you liked this video and found my tips helpful, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss on any more software tips and tricks and tutorials.